So here in the Pham Viet Chanh area of Binh Thanh district in Saigon, Vietnam, I'm going to take you on a tour of my $18 per night Airbnb here in what I consider the trendiest area of Saigon. It's got a lot of cool bars. It's a very, I guess, hip spot to be staying in Ho Chi Minh City, in Vietnam's largest city. But let's go down this way and I'll take you on a tour. If you go just a little bit that way, you got all the bar areas here. Bars. So good nightlife around here. Take you down here to my Airbnb. So just a short walk down the alley here. You come in here. Got an elevator. It's always convenient. Hello. Little gym area down here. They've got treadmills and bikes. I've only ever seen one person use it, and the equipment looks kind of dated, but it's an $18 per night place, so you're not going to expect the Ritz-Carlton. Take you inside. Welcome to my crib. Well, this is it. It's got a kitchen area. First, as you do here in Asia, take off your shoes at the door so that you don't track in the dirt from outside. A little bit of artwork there. Got a table for table stuff. Kitchen, pretty decent sized kitchen. It's got a microwave. Got a little bit of a stove area. It's one of these like electric cookers. My books. Got a kettle. Good cabinet space. And also some cooking ware. Rice cooker, pots and pans. Comes with some basic cutlery and stuff. Utensils, glasses, couple bowls, couple plates. Sink. Yeah, one thing I do like about this place is that it's got really good like cabinet space for your storage needs. These are some souvenirs I'm taking back home. Freezer for your really cold items. Refrigerator. Got some essentials in there. This is where I make my videos. Sitting here at this desk. Little mirror. Stool. Take you guys in the bathroom. Pretty standard. It's got a sink, good water pressure, toilet, good flushability. That's cinematography, that. Yeah, that's some serious filmmaking. Bum gun, otherwise known as a bidet. Sprays. This place has maid service twice a week. So they clean every Tuesday and Friday, and then they also do your laundry for you, and that's included with the price. The price also includes the electricity. I added approximately what the electricity will be to the overall price. I'm staying here for a little over a month, and it's actually not included in the Airbnb price, but I just kind of gave like an approximate additional value to that. So it does work out to that $18 per day figure with cleaning and electricity included and laundry. One nice thing is it's got like a Western style shower and tub. It's not very common that you see not only a Western style shower, which means that this is like separated. Usually you'll have the shower in the bathroom, so everything kind of gets wet in the bathroom. But this keeps, you know, the water in here, and you got the shower curtain. Everything stays dry that way. And then also having a tub is kind of nice if you want to take a little soak. They provide towels here, so got a towel there, towel here. The bed's comfortable. It's decent. It's pretty soft. Give it a dank rank of 7.1. Get some good sleep on it. Closet space, definitely plentiful enough. And then it's got some drawers down here as well. This little couch thing here, it's decent. It's not super comfortable, but it's all right. It's definitely serviceable. And then it's decent for watching some TV. Also laying in bed, it's good for watching TV. I brought my own HDMI cable, so I hook up my laptop to the TV and watch movies or YouTube videos, whatever I fancy. But yeah, $18 for this place. Oh yeah, there's windows here, but they don't really show or lead to much. So in terms of natural light, you're not really getting any. That's one drawback. So if you're really into your sunlight in the room, this might not be the place for you. There's one more window, and that looks out to the workout area. Air conditioning. Pop that bad boy on. Get a little coolth in here. Coolth is a word, by the way. C-O-O-L-T-H. It's kind of like the equivalent of warmth to heat, coolth to cold. I don't know why I like pointing that out, because I didn't believe it was a word at first, and then I learned it was a word, and I like it. So the positives of this place are that it's in a really cool area of Saigon. If you watch my last video, or if you watch my previous video of this area, Pham Viet Chanh, where I kind of get a lay of the land and explore it, a lot of cool bars in this area, a lot of good places to eat, a lot of Japanese restaurants, and it seems to be like kind of a trendy area of, you know, new places opening up, a good mixture of Western / local places. So I think it's a really cool neighborhood. Also, it's not too busy, but it's also not too quiet. So you've got like the bars and stuff that stay open to a reasonable hour, usually like 1 or 2 in the morning. But those are far away enough where it's not too noisy around here. And then it's sort of like a neighborhood where you have to drive into it and there's no outlet, so it doesn't get a lot of traffic. So it feels a little bit peaceful. It feels kind of, I don't know, more tranquil in that sense. So positives are that it's in a really cool neighborhood, and also it's fairly cheap. $18 a night is not too bad at all, especially for this place. It's nice and spacious, good area, air conditioning, cleaning included. The staff are decent. No problem checking in. You can get in and out of the building at any time. There's a security guard there to look after your bikes. There's free bike parking downstairs. And yeah, in terms of where this place is located, it's located about, you can get to District 1 in about 5 minutes, but from the center of District 1, it's about 10 to 15 minutes. From the airport, this is about 20 minutes. And from District 2, like Tao Dian area, which is a popular place for expats and Westerners to go, it is about 15 minutes from there. So it's pretty centrally located. I really do like the location here. Overall, I think it's pretty good value, but I'm interested to hear what you guys think. Is this place good for $18, or have you stayed in some Airbnbs that are comparable or that you think are even better? Let me know in the comments. Well, I think that's gonna wrap it up. I just wanted to give you guys a quick tour, but Hope you guys got some value out of this and you learned a little bit about what you can get here for a budget Airbnb in Saigon. If you guys like this video, click the like button, subscribe to the channel to support the growth, and leave any comments you have. I'm really happy to hear from you all. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Peace.